Hello. So, as you can see, I improved my um cannon, my firework cannon. So, what I've done, as you can see, I've added a duck right here. I've connected it to wire, and yes, it will quack if you click the button. Yeah, I'll talk about the other duck in a second. Oh, and also, there's multiple things you can attach to wires to make its noise, like a scoob or this bold and brash painting, or even the duck right here. You can also do it to items, which I've accidentally opened a gift before. Yeah, so that's probably the ones that you don't want to accidentally click. But yeah, it can pretty much do all that stuff. Yeah, it can open gifts, so you probably don't want to do that. But in a good way, we've got this delay right here. We've delayed the time to where this one will quack and then this one will quack. So, I've never actually used a delay before. This is my first time, but it delays the time. And as you can see, I got these neon wires to show you the delay. You can delay it even more. But yeah, it can make sound effects too to your cannon, you know. Let me just adjust this back to normal. There. And yeah, I don't know why, but you can't really hear the Bolden brush this loud. It's pretty quiet. But the only reason I don't have scoobs is because they increase in size every time you click it. So yeah, I don't want that happening or it'll fall off. But yeah, here's how you can make a cannon launcher with sound effects. There we go. Yes.